Jasmy most certainly acquired roughly 4.08% inside the most recent 24 hours in a by and large significant manner. The amount fundamentally is at present at $0 in extremely significant manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin basically is floating at $87,003,429, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Jasmy especially has its next obstruction at $0 a really significant manner. The 18th of June 2023. In this video we will fundamentally walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these habitually really sought clarification on some pressing issues. What sort of is by and large transient cost expectation for Jasmy coin? For the most part is Jasmy a by and large wise interest in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels and so on, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. In any case, prior to plunging in every practical sense, profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, sort of allowed us for the most part to discuss the truly current economic situations in an essentially large manner. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours. There essentially was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the fundamentally whole digital money market to $1,071,510,173,848, exhibiting how yet prior to plunging kind of profound into the Jasmy specialized investigation, in a real sense let us explicitly discuss the essentially current economic situations, which essentially is genuinely critical. The really all-out exchanging volume explicitly remains at $19,008,310,440 in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 48.08% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, truly in spite of mainstream thinking, which essentially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,551.35 level after a vertical development of 0.07%. Which sort of is genuinely huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value lessening of 0.16% coming to $1,736.12 during the past 24 hours, or so they really thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.51. Following a value change of 0.23% inside a similar time period, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.51. Following a value change of 0.23% inside a similar time span and in an every practical sense, large way. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP sort of is up by 1.33 and at present exchanging at 49 cents, or so they generally thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which sort of is genuinely critical. These occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market basically is going in an extremely descending heading for fundamentally transient in a genuinely significant manner. Right now, a general kind of bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which by and large is very critical. Jasmy coin backing and obstruction backing and opposition in every way that really matters are significant specialized markers used to essentially recognize fundamentally key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. Essentially further appearance how XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, certainly is up by 1.33 and as of now exchanging at 49 cents in a sort of significant manner. Support generally is a level at which purchasers certainly become kind of more by and large dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which basically shows that these occasions generally demonstrate that the market in every practical sense is going in an all things considered, descending heading for genuinely present moment, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Similarly, obstruction most certainly is a level at which vendors really become move sort of dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which especially is genuinely critical. Following generally are the help and opposition levels of Jasmy coin execution. The by and large current Jasmy coin cost explicitly is $0, with an exchanging volume of $87,003,429 in the very beyond 24 hours, which really is very critical. Presently, Jasmy basically is up by 4.08% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 USD in a by and large significant manner. Jasmy coin value examination Jasmy cost investigation for the 18th of June 2023 inside an everyday time span most certainly made sense of beneath, showing how yet prior to jumping kind of profound into the Jasmy specialized investigation. In a real sense let us in every practical sense discuss the especially current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. We utilize extremely relative strength index, moving truly normal union and uniqueness, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including kind of basic moving truly normal and dramatic moving sort of normal to truly examine the future development of the Jasmy coin, which sort of shows that following generally are the help and obstruction levels of Jasmy coin execution. The exceptionally current Jasmy coin cost really is $0, with an exchanging volume of $87,003,429 in the exact beyond 24 hours, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The MACD line most certainly is remaining beneath of the extremely signal line after a hybrid. So while distributing this block, ENB exchanged at $246.51. Following a value change of 0.23% inside a similar time span, showing how while distributing this block, BNB exchanged at $246.51. Following a value change of 0.23% inside a similar time span in a sort of large manner. Jasmy coin financial backers need to especially hang tight for any directional change over the truly everyday diagram, which generally shows that however prior to jumping kind of profound into the JASMY specialized investigation, truly let us for the most part discuss the extremely current economic situations, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. The especially relative strength file for JASMY coin especially is as of now drifting at 19 for 14 days pretty normal line, which especially implies JASMY in every practical sense is an oversold zone and a pattern all things considered, inversion sort of is conceivable, exhibiting that Jasmy coin value examination JASMY cost examination for the 18th of June 2023 inside a fundamentally day-to-day time span explicitly made sense of beneath, showing how yet prior to plunging sort of profound into the JASMY specialized examination, truly let us sort of discuss the essentially current economic situations, which essentially is very huge. While JASMY's Williams % R pointer generally is at 77.222 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange truly signal basically is especially conceivable at this reach, truly further appearance how presently. JASMY for the most part is up by 4.08% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 USD. In every way that really matters, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Ends as indicated by our specialized examination information. The transient estimate for the Jasmy coin cost generally is for the most part bullish at the hour of composing, fundamentally further appearance how various elective digital currency, as ETHEREUM in every way that really matters, has seen a value diminishing of 0.16% coming to $1,736.12 during the past 24 hours, which truly is genuinely critical. The digital money Jasmy coin appears to sort of be on the ascent once more. So furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which truly is very critical. A critical profit from venture fundamentally is essentially anticipated assuming that